Listen, we're going to talk about the things that nobody really wants to talk about. Again, I know y'all don't want to talk about writing it down. Y'all don't like to write. Okay, I know we all done been through it. At the end of the week, honey, when payday comes through and we get that check, honey, where did the money go? Because what did I buy? Exactly what did I spend all of my check on? Like, this ain't even the bill week, which leads to the topic of discussion today. Where did my money go? Tracking your spending. I know it sounds tedious and it sounds like something that, you're like, I ain't got to do that. I already know what I got to do and all. Listen, writing it down makes a hell of a difference, okay? It's your girl Candy Dreams, and today we are going to be getting into tracking our spending and making sure that we are in control of where the money is actually going. Because again, I am working my way through my journal, okay? So some of you have this already, so you can work and walk along with me. But if you don't have it already, again, the link will be down below. You're welcome to go ahead and purchase you one, either digital or physical. Only this one is physical. The pink one is not available, so don't ask. I'm not coming out with another one of those. Not that one anyway, so it'll be a new version of whatever it is. Tell me, why does it seem like every time we get paid the money just magically disappears? Like, seriously, it's always going somewhere, somehow, to something. Like, wait a minute, I just paid that last week, or wait a minute, I just signed up for that. Like, come on now, the money, it takes no time to deplete, right? But it takes forever, it seems like, for it to replenish. But we're working on that, right? Because we're going to keep it consistent, okay? Even the coins are going to be consistent. When it comes to tracking your spending, it is critical. It is a component of the financial management and achieving financial stability. A key aspect of tracking spending is a recording of daily expenses, including both necessary and discretionary expenses. This can be done by keeping receipts, using a budgeting app, or manually tracking expenses in a journal. This journal right here, okay? After recording expenses, it's helpful to categorize them into different categories such as groceries, entertainment, housing, etc. This allows you to see where your money is going, identify the areas where they may be overspending. For example, you may have noticed that you spend a lot on eating out. Instead, you could choose to cut back on the expenses and allocate the saved funds towards your emergency fund. In this way, tracking spending can help you identify areas for potential savings and make informed decisions about your finances. Here's my debt tracker sheet that I am sharing with you guys, okay? So go and grab it now. Here's the thing, if you want to know where your money is going, you can't tell it where to stay. You got to treat it like that dude that's always ghosting you. You got to set boundaries, boo. If you're not tracking, your coins are literally sneaking off to either Starbucks, Amazon, the grocery store, the gas station, Uber Eats, who knows, honey. And next thing you know, you wondering why you broke by Friday all over again. The cycle that seems to not want to ever end, but here today we're going to end it, okay? And we're going to make things better. Now, you can use my handy dandy debt tracker sheet if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can make it cute, because I know some of y'all hate spreadsheets or don't want to necessarily be writing it down. So you can do it the bougie way. Get you a little budgeting app. Here's a couple that I highly recommend. Or you could just simply keep the receipts in a cute little pouch. Or just start your own little journal and start saving the way that you like. Create your own. That's totally fine too. Whatever works for you, just start. When you write it down, you start seeing patterns and you are able to actually see where and which direction the coins are being pulled. Again, this is a good way for you to know how to set the limits for not only yourself but for anybody else that has access to that card. Once you see the numbers, you can then easily adjust and you can allocate properly or proportion the way that you intend, and that's how you build safety and freedom at the same time. Okay? I don't want you to think that tracking your debt is about restrictions, because that's not what we're trying to do. No, what we're trying to do is find out where all of it is going and figure out how we can bring a little bit more back, so that way it doesn't feel so bad when you actually go to make that new purchase. The bag is waiting for you, but you can't claim it if it's running away. You got to get control of it so that you can fill it up. So what I need you to do for me right now is go ahead and drop down in the comments a little something that you think that you can do to help track your spending, or how can you scale back a little bit. Drop down in the comments what's one of your guilty pleasures, right? What's one of those things that you just like, oh, I gotta have it, or I'm gonna spend the coins on that no matter what. Like I said, for me, it's eating out. I don't care. I'm going to spend coins eating out. The thing is I gotta choose wiser, because if I go go to a sit down restaurant, then I got a tip. And I know that sounds kind of stingy. I hate that, y'all. But I tip real good whenever we are out. If we go to fast food, then I don't have to tip. So, you know, it's not as much as it would be if we went to, you know, a sit down restaurant. But that's one of my guilty things. What's yours? All right, sweetheart. Thank y'all again for tuning in. I really appreciate having this moment with y'all, this little moment of transparency. That's 3 things I done told y'all. 3 of my little goals and secrets, okay? And if you missed the other 2, you got to go back and watch the other 2 videos, okay, to find out. Thank you again. I love y'all, and I will see y'all back soon. Bye, babe.